I'm getting ready for Mother's Day. We're gonna go eat at my sister's later. I'm bringing her and my mom some flowers. Just have some family time today. But I do wanna like put some effort today. I wanna do like a blowout, pamper my skin a little bit more than usual today. So I'm gonna use this honey mask. My face is gonna be so moisturized, guys. Love this part. It's going in my mouth. We're gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. Okay. While I wait for it to fully absorb, I need to blow dry my hair. I'm gonna use this leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair. I think I need a new brush or comb because this one I feel pulls my hair too much. But I was at Ulta yesterday and I didn't find any that I liked. Some heat protectant. I'm blow drying it the method that I learned from Brad Mondo. I'm gonna need clips. These are the clips that I use, and I also use these big ones. I'm also gonna use my Revlon brush. All right, so I'm gonna move this section out the way. And I'm gonna start with this section. I'm done. I had to use bobby pins on the last two sections, but it's okay. This is how it looks. Doesn't have to be perfect. There's some strands in the back that already got loose, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna leave my hair on the clips for about 30 minutes. I would say 30 minutes the least. Maybe I'll leave it longer since I have a lot of time today. We'll see. What is this? I am gonna do my skincare routine. I just went to Ulta yesterday and I got my skincare supplies. So yeah, enjoy this. I don't know what it's gonna be. I need more coffee. I got my vitamin C cream, which I hadn't used in a while, and my eye cream, which I hadn't used either of those in a while. It's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna take the clips off and then I'll look for what I'm going to wear. Oh, that's cute. Ooh, forgot about this one. Ow. Guys, I love it. Oh my god, guys, it looks so cute. Guys, I have done this I think once or twice before. I think it was only once. But I think this is the best outcome I've gotten so far. I gotta show Adrian, hold on. Babe? Adrian liked it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go change. I have a few ideas for outfits, but I'm going to see which one is gonna look best for today. See you guys in a bit.